Hello, I'm Cindy Sim from Century 21 Westcountry, and I am down here at the Sundre Golf Club. Have you guys been here? Look behind me. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. It's gonna keep going. We're gonna get windy. Beautiful. All the way over here. Even more beautiful. There's like 18 holes of insane gorgeousness. Now, they gave me a cart. Don't ask me why they entrusted me with a cart, but they did. They entrusted me with a cart. So I'm going to drive around. I'm going to show you guys how incredibly awesome this is. So we're just driving around, and there's just endless of beautifully groomed, like, it's insane. I'm never going to leave this place. So Father's Day is coming up. If you guys want to do something incredible for your dads, you have got to come down to the Sundre Golf Club and book them a tee time. You can do it online. But seriously, check this out. This place is gorgeous. After you and your dad have done an incredible job out there on the golf course, you're going to come back to one of the most amazing restaurants here in Sundre. You can smell the smells coming from that deck. It has a gorgeous patio. There's a clubhouse. There is a pro shop if you want to come buy some golfing shirts or you need some new clubs or anything you guys could possibly need. It is a gorgeous place, and I think any dad would be lucky to come down here and spend the day with his kids.